Meaning of eyebrow pencil.
Eyebrow pencil.
Eyebrow pencil.
Eyebrow pencil.
Eyebrow pencil. An eyebrow pencil is a cosmetic product used to enhance and define the appearance of eyebrows. It typically comes in a thin, pointed cylindrical shape that can be used to simulate the look of individual eyebrow hairs or fill in sparse areas. The result of using an eyebrow pencil is fuller, more defined eyebrows that complement the overall look of the face. Applying the product requires a steady hand and a light touch to achieve the desired effect without looking too heavy or obvious.